Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chax. If you are new, karibu sana. And in today's video, we are doing a small Christmas decor. Hope you'll enjoy. All these decors, I bought them from Kamkunji. And my pillow covers, they were ordered from abroad by one of my friends at a cheaper price.
But I know you miss your old self too. Silver once golden. There's only so much holding on. You can't take when your mind's at stake. Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible.
I decided to place my Christmas tree there due to lack of enough space. I love the way the Christmas tree turned out beautifully and awesome.
Here we go.
Don't mind about the laugh wall behind the tree. I'm planning to repaint it soon.
I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. That I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. All my hope was fading away. I'm not gonna make it to the end of the day. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
Invincible.
I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. I will carry you home. I will I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was